Let's get this show on the road. Bow. So, hey y'all. Basically what I'm gonna be doing is showing y'all quick hairstyles that you can achieve with a faux lock hairstyle. If you have any questions, be sure to hit the subscribe button first, comment below, click like or dislike. So this is the first style. No, I'm just playing. Just to let y'all know, the way that I wrap my hair, I like to braid it all the way down like this. I think I braided it too small because these are very little, but you want to braid them down like this so that it can have a curly look. Some of the faux locks come curly, but I didn't get it that way this time. So y'all just give me a second. All right, so yeah, I just braid it down like this. And it leaves me with like this little curly look. I love this style, y'all. Like, I really love this style. Especially with my makeup done now. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the first hairstyle that I came up with. We're going to take 2 of these dreads and we're going to leave them here. And we're going to put these up. As you can see, I'm just grabbing them. As you can see, I'm just grabbing them, grabbing them. I have all of them now, and I want to kind of keep it in the middle partish like, so I'm going to just curve my hands this way. Twist on, baby. I wrap it so you pull these together in the back, okay? Twist and tie and bring it back around. And you can find somewhere to just kind of tuck it. Oh, this is difficult. All right, y'all. So what I'm going to do now is this other hairstyle for y'all. I'm twisting it down to the right. I'm going to leave like 1 or 2 dreads just hanging to kind of give that natural effect. I'm going to twist all the way down. Twist, twist, twist. Oh, hey, having fun? Learning anything? Well, if you are, click the subscribe button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, TheRealMissTae. Like and comment on all future videos. Now, let's get back to action. All right, what I'm doing now is tying it in the back. It's kind of hard because I can't see, but you want to just tie it in the back and tuck. Tie and tuck, tie and tuck. Alright guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you want any other extra videos or you have some ideas in mind. And you guys stay safe.